Andrew here from DrDetailInc.com, located in Toronto, Canada by the airport. I am showing you a video, the before video of a pair of driver's side Z06 Corvette wheels with the very bad curb rash damage. I am literally the only repair shop in the country that knows how to deal with wheels. I deal with wheels and round parts. My background is airplane parts, but we're good at wheels and chrome and stainless steel. These wheels are about $1,500 to $1,700 a corner. I'm going to save the owner a lot of money. I've done these wheels before. He is located in Vancouver, Canada. He shipped them to me. I got them. The next video you see will be the video of the repair. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. I am going to repair these beautiful Z06 wheels of a 2014 Corvette. Hey, part two of Andrew at Dr. Detail. We finished these wheels. We polished the edge. It had all road curb rash, road curb. We did both. They're all finished, as you can see. Beautiful. Andrew, Dr. Detail. DrDetailInc.com. We finished these. Their owner will be happy. This is part two continued. Andrew, Dr. Detail, wheel restoration. We had just done all these wheels. This curb rash here was all chewed up. DrDetailInc.com. Come and visit us.